What if I told you the Cadillac Escalade is about to cross a line it has never crossed in almost 30 years of existence? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why this changes everything for Cadillac's flagship SUV, and whether it's still worth the money. Let's start with the big one, the headline everyone's talking about. The 2027 Escalade order guide shows the base model is gone, leaving the $105,000 luxury trim as the starting point. Car buzz. That's right, the removal of the base trim will most likely raise the Escalade's price floor above $100,000 for the first time, AOL, in the nameplate's history. For context, the 2026 Cadillac Escalade had a base price of $93,995 for the entry trim, while stepping into the luxury trim meant spending at least $104.95 car buzz. So Cadillac isn't just tweaking the lineup, they're repositioning the entire Escalade as a six-figure vehicle from the very first key you get handed. But here's where things get really interesting. It's not just the base trim disappearing. Cadillac is also eliminating the rear-wheel drive, Platinum Luxury, and Platinum Sport models, leaving those premium trims available exclusively with four-wheel drive, GM authority. That means by removing the rear-drive variants of the Platinum trim levels, Cadillac has effectively raised the price of those models by roughly $3,000, though buyers do get all-wheel drive as a consolation, AOL. The result is a cleaner, simplified lineup, essentially luxury and sport in two-wheel and four-wheel drive, Platinum Luxury and Platinum Sport in four-wheel drive only, and the range-topping Escalade V sitting at the very top. Now let's talk timing, because this is the part that actually matters if you're planning to order one. The start of regular production for the 2027 Cadillac Escalade is currently scheduled to begin on September 8, 2026, with Cadillac dealers gaining access to the ordering system on July 9th, and order submissions opening on July 23, 2026. GM authority. And here's something most people don't realize. This could be a historic final chapter. The 2027 Escalade will be the full-size SUV's final model year, built at the GM Arlington Assembly Plant in Texas, before production of the gas-powered luxury SUV moves to the GM Orion Assembly Plant in Michigan. GM authority. So if you're the kind of buyer who cares about last-of-an-era builds, this is genuinely it. Let's move to what actually stays under the hood, because Cadillac isn't reinventing the powertrain here. All ICE-powered 2027 Escalade variants ride on the GM T1 platform, with the naturally aspirated 6.2-liter V8 L87 gasoline engine standard and the supercharged 6.2-liter V8 LT4 powering the high-performance Escalade V. GM authority. In real numbers, the standard V8 produces 420 horsepower, while the supercharged Escalade V puts out a monstrous 682 horsepower. Autoblog. And that translates directly to real-world speed. The standard V8 gets this nearly 3-ton SUV to 60 miles per hour in around 6.0 to 6.7 seconds, while the Escalade V drops that down to a genuinely rapid 4.3 to 4.7 seconds. Autoblog. On towing, maximum capacity sits at 8,100 pounds with the standard V8 and rear-wheel drive, with the ESV rated up to 8,000 pounds and the V-Series at 7,200 pounds. Autoblog. And this is the part many people didn't expect. Cadillac is also finally bringing keyless technology into the modern era. The 2027 Escalade is expected to include a digital key feature, allowing owners to lock, unlock, and start the vehicle using a compatible smartphone instead of a traditional key fob, eventually enabling digital key sharing and potential Apple Wallet integration. GM authority. But temper your excitement slightly, because the feature won't be active right at launch. It's expected to roll out later through an over-the-air software update, and Cadillac has a track record of promising this kind of feature and delaying it before, as happened with the Silverado EV, Sierra EV, and even the previous Escalade's keycard feature, GM authority. On the styling side, changes are minor but deliberate. The 2027 model carries over the substantial updates introduced for the refreshed 2025 Escalade, including its redesigned front fascia, updated lighting, and the enhanced technology suite built around the 55-inch pillar-to-pillar display. GM authority. There's also a small palette refresh. A new color called Sandstone joins the lineup, while Aegean Stone and Magnus Metal Frost are discontinued, bringing the total to 7 exterior colors and 6 interior combinations for 2027. GM authority. Now, how does this stack up against the competition? Because at 6 figures, buyers have serious alternatives. The Mercedes-Benz GLS, despite a heavy refresh for 2027, is expected to start under $100,000. The BMW X7 starts at $89,050, and the Infiniti QX80 comes in even lower at $87,835. CarBuzz. So Cadillac is asking a real premium here. But the Escalade still has an ace up its sleeve. Its interior craftsmanship, free of rattles and squeaks, built around that genuinely impressive 55-inch curved display, spanning the width of the dash, is something none of those German or Japanese rivals fully match. CarBuzz. And on towing specifically, the Escalade's 8,100-pound rating beats the GLS's 7,700 pounds and the X7's 7,500 pounds, though it still trails the Lincoln Navigator's 8,700 pounds and the QX80's 8,500 pounds. CarBuzz. So here's the honest verdict. The 2027 Cadillac Escalade isn't a dramatic reinvention, it's a strategic repositioning. Cadillac is betting that trimming the lineup, cutting the cheap entry point, and pushing everyone towards 6 figures will strengthen the brand's luxury image, even if it makes the Escalade meaningfully more expensive than segment rivals. If you value raw interior quality, that supercharged V8 option, and genuine towing muscle, this final Texas-built Escalade might be worth the premium. But if pure value is your priority, the BMW X7 or Infiniti QX80 are going to be hard to ignore. Now I want to hear from you. Is a 6-figure starting price a deal-breaker for you? Or does the Escalade still earn it? Drop your honest opinion in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss the official pricing announcement, and I'll see you in the next one.